Wayne Hockey and the team at Ray White the Entrance are privileged to offer to market number 43 Lakin Street, Bateau Bay. As you can see from the aerial perspective, it's a fabulous location with the golden sands of Shelley, Blue Lagoon and Bateau Bay Beach just moments away. The residence is smart and stylish and would be the ultimate family home. The gourmet kitchen would suit a master chef with gas cooking, granite benches and a breakfast bar. There's spacious, fully tiled, casual living areas, and for special occasions, there's also formal lounge and dining. The master bedroom is another feature, with an ensuite, a large walk-in, as well as 2 built-in wardrobes. There's a grand hallway, and there's even an internal lift. There's also a study, sitting and rumpus rooms, and there's 3 bathrooms. Your family will love the north-facing heated saltwater pool with quality Italian tiling around the pool and outdoor entertaining areas. Another highlight is the gazebo with Merbo decking. And when you're not spending time at the beach, the iconic Shelley Beach Golf Club is just moments away. Offered by Wayne Hockey and the team at Ray White the Entrance. Number 43, Lakin Street, Bateau Bay.